Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Linux distros. We're going to put head-to-head Linux Mint as well as Zorin OS. We want to know what it is that they offer and how they can actually change or elevate your experience. Alright, so let's jump into Linux Mint now. So Linux Mint offers multiple desktop options. You can choose from Cinnamon, Matte, or XFCE desktop environments, which each are optimized for different user preferences and hardware capabilities. It also has a ready-to-use multimedia installation. So it has pre-installed multimedia codecs and proprietary drivers, which eliminate the need for additional configuration steps. It also has a built-in system snapshot tool for effortless backup creation and restoration, protecting against any system failures. You can see over here that it has a familiar interface design. So the intuitive desktop layout feels natural to Windows users, reducing that learning curve and that transition time. It also has a fully functional system with multimedia support, drivers, and essential software pre-configured and ready to use straight out of the box. It has exceptional community support networks with comprehensive documentation and an active forum for assistance anytime you need it. The last thing over here is that it's lightweight, so it has minimal system resource usage, which makes it perfect for breathing new life into older hardware while still maintaining smooth performance. It's built on Ubuntu's stable foundation, as we mentioned, with long-term support releases, ensuring reliability for mission-critical tasks. And you can see over here, you can access Ubuntu's extensive software repositories, which means you have thousands of applications available through a simple package management. Alright, jumping into Zorin OS now, which is a very user-friendly Linux distro, and it's built for all different types of use cases. It's built on the reliable Ubuntu 20.04 with the polished GNOME desktop environment for maximum stability as well as performance. It has a thoughtfully designed user interface to ease Windows and Mac OS users into Linux with more recognizable layouts and intuitive navigation. It also has 4 tailored editions, which is the Core, which is the Free Edition, the Lite, Education, and Pro, with obviously premium features for more professional use. You can run Windows applications seamlessly via Wine integration, plus an extensive library of pre-installed open source software. Some of the benefits of Zorin OS is the ability to extend your PC's life and boost your productivity. So you can breathe new life into an aging computer of even up to 15 years old, while it runs efficiently on minimal resources, turning outdated hardware into productive workstations while reducing electronic waste. Also, it has a complete software suite. So the free core version includes essential productivity tools, LibreOffice suite, Firefox browser, GIMP image editor, and multimedia applications for immediate productivity. The Pro version includes premium creative and productivity software that is worth over $5,000, providing professional grade tools at a fraction of the cost. Zorin Connect also enables effortless Android smartphone integrations, allowing instant file transfers and message synchronization across all of your devices. The last thing over here is some of their advantages, including their security, their customization options, and of course some of their cost savings. So you can upgrade your computer for free with a continuous security update system that extends beyond Windows 10's end of life in October 2025, ensuring long-term protection. Also, you can transform your desktop with highly customizable layouts, mimicking the Windows 11 as well as Mac OS or even Chrome OS styles. The Pro Edition offers premium themes and advanced personalization options, and then you can also get streamlined installation processes and user-friendly interfaces, which are designed for both beginners transitioning from other operating systems as well as experienced Linux users. You can make an eco-conscious choice by avoiding forced hardware upgrades while saving money, reducing your carbon footprint through their sustainable computing practices. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that there are many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and look through them and actually try them, physically use them, and see what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.